Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in about 20 minutes I should be leaving the house and headed to Heathrow to catch a flight to New York City. I have never been to the USA, and I know that sounds crazy. I've never been, and this will be a vlog of a lot of firsts. It's the first time I would have been on a flight without my family. I do know people on the flight. I'm going to meet up with one of my friends soon, but it's the first time without my family, and also the first time to the USA, and the first time on a flight in about 10 years. So as you can tell, I am nervous. I get travel anxiety anyway, and I'm like slightly freaking out. It's making it worse that they're actually cancelling a lot of flights for tomorrow because there's a storm, and I'm due to fly out at about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So it's about 1 o'clock now, getting to Heathrow really, really early, and hopefully having a bit of a sleep and getting on the flight. So fingers crossed for me guys that this vlog should be good. I have so much planned when I get to New York. It's going to be so much fun, and I'm going to be daily vlogging when I'm there too. And I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I've already got my flight outfit on. I'll go through this in a second with you guys. So please excuse any mess in the background. There is quite a lot of it, but this is my outfit. Apparently it's supposed to be about -10 when we get there, so I thought I'd wear a coat now and I can get all cozy on the plane anyway. But this is a big winter coat. I mean, the hood goes all the way over my face. This is from Miss Selfridge. I'll link anything that I'm wearing down below. But I've got my Calvin Klein sweater. This only cost me £39, which I thought was a really good price, and it's nice and light. And then under that I have a t-shirt from Naked, N-A-K-D, that says travel as much as you can. I've then got some leggings with a corset detail here, and then some Anna Field boots, which are faux fur lined, and then they're also grippy as well because they have had snow in New York as well. So this is my outfit, and let's go. I've actually been super organised with my packing today. I've got everything in little compartments. I've got some medication, all of my wires and stuff. Then I've got essentials such as snack bars and sweeties in here, my passport and everything in my Kate Spade pencil case. And then I have my handbag, my Valentino Rockstud dupe from ASOS, just to pull out as soon as I get over to, well, past check-in really. And then just some mouthwash, my Zoelis sanitizer, and some breath freshening spray, and my Ray-Ban sunglasses. And that's my carry-on. Super organised. As you can probably see on here, although I don't know how clear it's showing, all of the New York flights have been cancelled, meaning they have cancelled our flight and we don't really know what's going on, which is really annoying. I've just picked up a little Kia pot from Fred for breakfast. It's 6 o'clock now. We were supposed to catch our flight at 10 to 9, and we might end up being here all day or even going home. I don't know, but I've got a green tea too. So guys, as you can see, I'm not at New York, I'm not at Heathrow. It's actually a few days later, and it was absolute madness. They cancelled all of the flights to New York for that day, and they couldn't rearrange us because JFK was just madness from this bomb cyclone. I know a few other YouTubers that got affected by it too. It was so affected by the bomb cyclone that we weren't able to get a return flight until 2 days before we were due home anyway, so it wasn't worth going on the trip. We ended up cancelling, and I'm going in summer anyway, so that should be good. It won't be as cold, and I will have more room in my suitcase to bring home stuff. And now I'm just out having coffee with my sister, so it's turned out really well anyway. I mean, I've got a pack of crisps and we've had to open them sideways so I can't get into them, but that's tiding me over because I'm taking her to Wagamama's soon. She's never had it before. They have loads of vegan options, so are you excited? I am. Yeah. Please excuse the terrible lighting in here, but I've got some concoction that the lady has made up. This is not what I ordered. It's still really nice though. It's some almond milk frappe. I ordered a salted caramel and almond shake, so I don't know where she's done this one from, but I'm not complaining. I like it anyway. And Holly's got an almond milk and what's yours? Almond milk and caramel latte. This is too strong for me. There is absolutely no way. This is officially one of the cutest things I've ever seen. Ah, the little blogger vegan in her natural habitat.
Let's see what this is like.
Oh, they're the nice ones, aren't they? I swear you have some of these.
No.
Do you not? They're so nice, and they say Barista & Co on them. I have these ones. These are £6 each, but they're not branded.
I prefer them actually.
I prefer those.
No, I prefer these.
Yeah. I thought these were avocados. They are papayas, but I love this bedding set. That is so nice. Familiar. It says, damn girl. This is me, food baby. That is definitely me. You okay there, dear? We're just at Wagamama's having a look through the vegetarian and vegan menu. Do it like this. Do it like that. We've also got the non-gluten menu. Holly isn't actually getting anything. She's a bit scared to try anything, but I'm getting, I'm getting the Oh yeah, you're getting the edamame, aren't you? I wish there was such thing as smelly vision because these smell so good. Me and Holly are both, look at that. Oh, we're both like garlic fiends, and this is all garlic salt on top. So nice. It gets stuck in. And this is also one of my favorite things. This is the orange passion fruit, and I think it's apple juice. It's just literally called the fruit juice, and it's really good. The only thing is it's like 50% froth, so you do end up drinking a lot of froth, but I would highly recommend you guys trying this. This is my speciality. I get the mini chahan and then I put on chili oil. Oh wow. So good, really spicy though. Soy sauce, and then this stuff, which is sashimi pepper, like that. And then this is like my favorite dish. So I've just got home now. Please ignore the absolute state of my bedroom. It has just been, I've had to unpack my suitcase, which is just here, and everything's kind of exploded everywhere. I just wanted to show you guys this jumper that I picked up. It's from H&M, and I absolutely love the sleeves. They have the these roses on them, and it's in like an embroidery style. I don't know if you can see. It's so incredibly pretty, and they're like big baggy sleeves too. I absolutely love it. When Naomi's hair starts to go crazy, that's when I know it's time to stop filming. I'm so incredibly sorry that today's vlog hasn't been everything that I hoped it would be. I mean, I'm supposed to be in New York right now, and obviously the Heathrow bit that I filmed at the beginning of this vlog was a few days ago, but I was meant to be at the Statue of Liberty yesterday. I meant to be at Brooklyn today, and it's just not turned out that way. So it would have been a lot more exciting than obviously just following me around, but well, I hope you've enjoyed it anyway. This is just what my life is, and yeah, I'm actually relieved because when I go in the summer I will have a lot more time. I mean, it's going to be hotter. I'm going to be able to drink my iced Starbucks out maybe in the streets and just chill and go to some rooftop bars, and it should be a lot more enjoyable because I've been having a look at the weather forecast, and New York is still like in the minuses. It's like -7, and I don't deal with cold very well anyway, so it's probably worked out for the best. And I've just bought a t-shirt that says Russ on it, and when I visit the friend's apartment, which is in New York, I'm going to be wearing my Russ t-shirt, which is like the fake Ross from Friends, and I absolutely howled last night when I found that t-shirt. I just think it's so funny. I don't even think it's meant to mean Russ from Friends, but it just made me think of him, and I just couldn't, like tears were coming out of my eyes when I found that t-shirt. Anyway, I'm going to tidy up. I'm currently sat in my room with all my stuff laid out. I'm going to tidy and then head to my boyfriend's, so I'm going to finish my vlog here. He's working a late shift, so I'm probably just going to sit and edit before he gets home. Thank you for watching this vlog if you've got this far in anyway, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.